ये जो आ गया ना, इतना कंप्यूटराइजेशन हो गया, इससे आप लोग पीछे जा रहे हो। आपको पता ही नहीं होता रिपोर्ट क्या आई है। वो ऑफिस वाले जानबूझकर नहीं लिखते, वो केवल आंसर लिख देते हैं। डेटा कंप्लीट उनका रहता ही नहीं है। उनको खुद को समझ में नहीं आता सर्विस हुई है कि नहीं हुई। बहुत मुश्किल कार्य होता है ये।
In this case, Your Lordship had issued notices on 17th March 2023, my lords, but the notices could not be served. And thereafter, we paid a fresh PF, but, my lords, we have come to know that the respondent keeps on changing her address. Now, my lords, this case is as such that the proceedings are pending, maintenance proceedings are pending before the trial court, wherein the respondent had filed a affidavit of disclosure against which we had filed an objection, my lords. That objection came to be rejected, and therefore we are here before my lords in this miscellaneous petition.
It is to be done today.
Today, my lords, we are praying that the trial court proceedings next date is on 14th of June, my lords. Therefore, I am humbly praying that a notice, order of Haddasti notice may be issued, please. Because as come to knowledge,
Against which order you have come here?
we have come against the impugned order that is at P12, my lords.
Page number?
That is at page number, my lords. That is at page number 124, my lords.
हाँ ठीक है।
That is, we have filed an objection against the affidavit of disclosure filed by her before the trial court, which came to be rejected, and therefore we came in this miscellaneous petition, my lords. Notices were issued last year, my lords, in the month of March, but as the respondent keeps on changing her address, we are unable to serve her. Now she would be appearing in the trial court on 14th of June. Therefore, if the order of
What do you want?
Dasti service, my lords, if an order of Dasti service may be passed below, my lords, we would serve her on the said date.
Where is the report of service?
The report of service we had downloaded from the online website, my lord,
बताइए क्या लिखा है?
wherein we have come to know that the notices have not been served. Thereafter, in December, again, we paid a fresh PF, but
क्या रिपोर्ट आई है?
dispatch date was 1st of April. Thereafter, it became unserved.
देखिए registry is directed to list this case on Monday along with service report duly flagged. सर्विस रिपोर्ट देखते हैं, क्या पता ही नहीं चल रहा यहाँ तो। यहाँ पता नहीं चल रहा क्या सर्विस रिपोर्ट आई है, whether the address is the same or whether she has refused to receive the service.
We have downloaded from the online website and we have it as
क्या लिखा है?
and it's unserved.
Unserved से पता लग जाएगा why it is unserved, whether the address is the same.
As made to understand, the address has been changed, my lords.
No, we cannot infer anything.
Okay.
We have
Then
to
as
be,
per Lord pleases.
we have to be very specific, whether the address is the same, whether she is avoiding to receive the service. This
My lords, a client had informed us recently that the
should not, you should not the assertion of the client.
Okay.
You should inspect the record. आप चलिए वो हटा दीजिए, इनको लिखिए learned counsel for the petitioner prays for and is granted 1 week time to inspect the record list after review. आप लोगों को रिपोर्ट देखना चाहिए, जब तक आप रिपोर्ट नहीं देखोगे आप ऑर्डर 5 रूल के संबंध में जानकारी नहीं ले पाओगे। जो आ गया ना, इतना कंप्यूटराइजेशन हो गया, इससे आप लोग पीछे जा रहे हो। आपको पता ही नहीं होता रिपोर्ट क्या आई है। वो ऑफिस वाले जानबूझकर नहीं लिखते, वो केवल आंसर लिख देते हैं। डेटा कंप्लीट उनका रहता ही नहीं है। उनको खुद को समझ में नहीं आता सर्विस हुई है कि नहीं हुई। बहुत मुश्किल कार्य होता है ये।
Yes,
आप देखिए, मुश्किलों का सामना आपको ही करना है, आप बाबुओं के भरोसे नहीं रह सकते।
my lord.